Did you know you can teach Claude your exact browser workflow and it learns to respond on its own? There's a feature in Claude in Chrome called Record a Workflow. You hit record, do a task once, stop recording, and Claude learns the whole process. But unlike regular automation tools that just remember where you clicked on the screen, Claude actually understands what's on the page. So if a button moves or a website looks completely different, it still figures it out. Let me show you what I mean. Say you sell product to restaurants and you need to build a prospect list. You would normally go to Google Maps. In this example, I've searched for restaurants in Munich, and you would click on the restaurant, go to the website, their email address, and paste it all into a spreadsheet like this one, and then repeat that 50 times or even more. Takes forever. With Claude and Chrome, you do that process once while recording one restaurant. Then you stop recording, save it, and tell Claude to do the same for the next 15 restaurants. And it does. It goes through the maps results, visits each website, and even though every website looks completely different, some have the email in the footer, some on a separate contact page, some call it imprint, whatever, Claude finds it. Let's try it. So we've activated the recording now, and actually I'm talking to Claude right now and telling what I'm doing. So I need to find restaurants in Munich. I need to build a prospect list. So I'm just going to click on the first restaurant in Google Maps. I'm visiting their website, and then I need to find the exact location, and I need to find their contact details. The phone number. So I've done that with Claude. I've talked to it. I've shown it basically the process of one restaurant. And if you've ever worked with restaurants, you know, each website is very different, kind of messy, hard to find the information you need. It's not an easy task. Okay, now I'm starting to run it directly in Chrome in my browser in this sidebar. So you need the Claude extension in Chrome. I asked it to run the shortcut, and it's saying I need to approve it. It's proposing a plan. I approved that. It seems it has used up my weekly limit. I'm running now on extra usage. I'm on the pro plan right now, but you'll probably need the max plan to run things like these. And you can see here that Claude is actually visiting those restaurant websites, gathering information. It's making screenshots, and it's actually opening websites in other browser tabs in my Chrome. And you see here, it's adding the information to the specific fields. It even changed here the wrong domain that I added from a restaurant, and it's changed that to the right domain. So far, it's doing a good job. So you can see it here live in action. It's adding a new restaurant. It's adding the address now. Now it should add the phone. So now it has added also the email address. It has an error here. Now it's fixing the error with the phone number. Perfect. It has fixed the error on its own, this formatting mistake. And yeah, you can see here basically what it's doing every step. So this does take some time. The crazy part is you can schedule this. So you can set this to run every Monday morning, every Sunday night, Sunday afternoon for a new area or city, and your prospect list builds itself while you're doing something else. And you see here, it's adding the next restaurant from Munich. It works. Keep in mind those restaurant pages, those websites, that they are quite messy. They're not very user-friendly. Most of them are 10 years old. It's doing a great job so far. This is really great. And you can use this not only for prospect list, but you can do this for any small task that you have in your browser that's repetitive. Data entry, where you copy stuff, where you add something to the CRM, and it's always the same thing. I mean, this is smart. This is not just copy and paste. It's really smart. Yeah, it's amazing. This is fantastic. Look at this. I have the cuisine, the category of the restaurants. This is very, 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 very good. An amazing feature. And it does take some time, and it's not just finished in a few minutes. So be prepared to have enough credits. And you see here the result. I mean, this is incredible. I asked it to add 3 more restaurants, and it did exactly that. I mean, it has executed exactly the same thing, the same workflow that I have recorded without any mistake. This is incredible. So many use cases for this. Let me know in the comments what you think about it and if you're already using it.